How do I be getting these jobs? Okay, so how do I get these jobs? If you're a micro content creator, streamer, or influencer, this video will help you get paid. During my 53 days of unemployment, I've been collecting research from all the job interviews I've been on and the rejections that I've gotten. And I'm gonna share with you 3 tips that I had to learn and still learning to become a full-time successful content creator. The wonderful world of content creation. Sounds like a kick-ass job, right? Being internet famous, having brands send you products to review, getting paid to post on social media, and not having to work the traditional 9 to 5. I mean, who wouldn't want that? I'm here to say all those things are amazing, but it takes a lot of work and time to achieve those goals. Content creation is just an oversaturated industry. You're competing with people who are trying to go viral and people who've been creating content for more than a decade. It's damn near like hitting the lottery. You don't know which video or post will be the one. Now, if you're serious about pursuing this industry, then these 3 steps will help turn your hobby into a profitable career. Step number 1, develop your brand. Now, if you really think about it, content creation is just a new era of marketing. Instead of companies focusing on billboards and TV ads, they're now using content creators to sell their service on social media. I mean, we're wired to buying something from somebody that we admire is promoting. So ask yourself, does your brand fit with the company's voice that you want to work with? And if it doesn't, then you need to rework your brand. These major companies have strict brand guidelines that they follow, and they work with other businesses that they deem that they can meet those guidelines and don't jeopardize them. The best piece of advice I can give you is go to their social media accounts and see if what they're producing and what you're producing align together. Now, let's say you have a great brand. Well, step 2, you need to have a good track record of growing a platform to 5,000 plus followers. This is going to suck to hear, but content creation is a numbers industry. Once again, companies are selling a service to consumers, so they very rarely use small creators to do that. They rather much have like a Mr. Beast or a Kai Cenat or RDC World to do that. Take it from me, I applied to be a content creator from the Professional Fighters League. I'm a former TV journalist, sports videographer, and I used to work for the Knicks as a social media manager. My experiences and skill sets check off a lot of boxes. Now here's the kicker. I had a great phone interview with a recruiter from a talent agency. Near the end of the conversation, that's when things started going downhill. He asked me if I grew my personal account and Knicks Gaming's social media account to 5,000 followers. Of course, I didn't, so I told him no. He told me that's gonna be a red flag for the PFL. Now, he did try to help me. He said if I took less money that was listed on the job description, then he could try to get me in the door. Long story short, I didn't get the job. What I learned from that experience and the other jobs that I applied to, most of these companies are looking for a content creator who has, it ranged from 10,000 to 50,000 followers. And I know what you're thinking. Dev, that's a lot of followers that I don't have. What should I do? Should I even continue pursuing this industry? Yes. And here's how we're going to do it. Step number 3, engage with the people on your content. This is going to help you in multiple ways. 1 is growing your following account because you're not just posting a video or a picture and you're disappearing. You're responding to somebody's comment and you're going to like it. That's going to let them know that you're allowing them to have the conversation with you. They're going to feel part of that conversation. So more than likely, they're going to, continue following you. They're going to continue rocking with you, and they might even follow you. Also, the more that you engage, the more the algorithm pushes your content because it deems that it's doing well. Engagement is also going to figure out what people want to see from you versus what they don't want to see. So respond to those negative comments. Let the trolls come in. I mean, at the end of the day, they're really just helping you. They're putting money in your pocket. So what? Do it. Side note, like and bookmark your content. Viewers are more likely to bookmark, like, comment, share your content if they've already seen other people doing it. It's no rule against that you can't do it. So why wouldn't you not do it? We're trying to get paid. Plus, good engagement is eye candy for a brand that when they're selecting a content creator to work with. That's my selling point when I go into these job interviews and they ask me about the following count. Now, I know that was a lot of information to take in, but if you implement those 3 tips, I see a lot of brands beating down your door to come work with you. And if this information was very helpful, then you don't want to miss the next one that I'm working on.